The TP-Link Deco AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 mesh system, also known as Deco X55, is a robust solution promising to enhance your home network performance. It aims to provide reliable connectivity across a large area, replacing traditional routers and extenders with its mesh networking technology. With claims to cover up to 6,500 square feet and supporting Ethernet backhaul, it targets users seeking seamless Wi-Fi coverage throughout their homes or offices. *** Design and setup. The Deco AX3000 system comprises 3 units designed to work together seamlessly. Each unit features a sleek, minimalist design that can blend into most environments without drawing attention. Setup is purportedly straightforward, with the Deco app guiding users through the installation process. This simplicity in design and setup is commendable, making it accessible even to those with limited technical expertise. Performance and connectivity. Equipped with Wi-Fi 6 technology, the Deco AX3000 promises faster speeds, lower latency, and improved performance, especially in densely populated areas with multiple connected devices. The support for Ethernet backhaul is a significant advantage, as it allows users to establish wired connections between units, enhancing stability and reducing network congestion. Coverage and reliability. TP-Link claims that the Deco AX3000 can cover up to 6,500 square feet, making it suitable for large homes or offices. However, real-world performance may vary depending on factors such as building materials and interference from other devices. Users should expect reliable coverage within a reasonable range, but additional units may be necessary for larger or more challenging environments. *** Features and functionality. The Deco AX3000 offers 3 gigabit Ethernet ports per unit, providing wired connectivity for devices that require a stable connection. It also supports advanced features such as parental controls, quality of service, QoS prioritization, and guest network capabilities, allowing users to customize their network according to their needs. These features add value and flexibility to the system, catering to diverse user requirements. Management and app experience.